Hello, in our previous video, we demonstrated the sales budget screen. Now, let's create it together. First, we will create a new workspace. Previously, I showed you the sales budget workspace. Now, let's create a new sales budget workspace with a different name. In the Quick App section, we open the Workspace application and load the existing workspaces in the Workspace tab. We will create a new workspace. I will name it New Sales Budget, but you can name it as you wish. Yes, New Sales Budget has been created under the Product Plan Workspace group. Now, we close it. Next, to see the new sales budget workspace, let's reconnect to our environment. Connect to MFP development. Now, we will be able to see the new sales budget workspace. However, when we click on it, it will open an empty workspace with no filters or applications. Let's first create the workspace filters. For this, I open the Edit Workspace application. From the Workspace Filter section, I load the newly created workspace named New Sales Budget. As we can see, there are no workspace filters at the moment. We will start creating workspace filters using the wizard procedure. Yes, now we have sales channel, sales season, and brand filters. Let's create a new pool for the sales channel filter. We will name the pool filter sales channel. Let's set the connection as Blue Earth connection. You should have already set up the Blue Earth database. In the definition schema, I will load the view named Sales Channel. The information has arrived. We saw our pool. The new pool has been created. I dragged Sales Channel ID to the DB field name and Sales Channel name to the display field name. I also changed the filter name to Sales Channel to make it more meaningful for users. Now we will create our second filter, Sales Season. We create the filter Sales Season filter and check the tables in the definition schema. I will use the Sales Season view. I drag Sales Season ID to the DB field name area and Sales Season code to the display field name. I changed the filter name to Sales Season to make it more readable for users. The remaining filter is Brand. We create a new pool for Brand and name it Filter Brand. After setting the connection, let's examine the tables. In the definition schema, we have a table named Brand. It contains the brand ID, brand code, and brand name. I will keep the brand ID on the database side and show the brand name to the user. I drag the brand ID to the DB field name and the brand name to the display field name. I also changed the filter name to Brand. Yes, now we have 3 filters: sales channel, sales season, and brand. Here, we also have filter types. If we want to change them, we can. For example, let's change the sales channel from combo single to list single. Sales season will be combo single, which means it will work with only one sales season at a time. The brand might be multiple, but for now, since it was single in the previous example, I will leave it as single. Now, let's reopen our new sales budget application and go to Workspace Filter. As you can see, we have our sales channel filter, sales season filter, and brand filter. Since there is no application at the moment, we won't be able to load data. We will continue developing the application in our next video. Stay safe.